right, you guys, welcome to day 5 of Egypt. We are going to make some Egyptian jewelry. I'm gonna make a necklace. Gold, of course.
Of course.
Of course. All right, so just empty your bag. You should have your gold necklace. You should have some gems. And then you should have this little guy, Miss Rachel.
Yes.
Can you see him?
Ooh, yes. It
This
looks like kind of like a bug, right? It's a special bug called a scarab
Or,
or a dung beetle.
right, right. Scarab sounds better.
I think so too. We'll call it
What is the
scarab.
importance of this beetle?
So scarabs were really important to ancient Egyptians because it symbolized the circle of life. You know, starting as like a little egg, growing into a little insect, then to a big, fully grown beetle. It's just like humans. So it was really important to them.
All right, so very first thing that we are gonna do is we are going to put our string on our necklace. Okay, so we're gonna work on our lacing skills. We're gonna start with the top. And you wanna make sure, I mean, you could do it either way, but it kind of looks cool this way.
Yeah.
So with the bulge out. All right, so I'm gonna start. You have a taped end. And I'm just gonna come up through. And I'm gonna pull it and pull it and pull it. And I'm gonna leave just a little bit. Okay? And then I'm gonna do it again. Pull it through. Okay, you're gonna do this all the way around. Don't pull too hard and pull out the very first one you did. Okay. Let's see. I know I'm going probably a little bit faster than you could, but
It's okay.
you take your time, and when you get it done, you can move to the next step. You can hit pause.
Yep.
Catch up with me.
Take your time, practice it. I know this is not easy, especially if it's the first time you've done something like this. So yeah, take your time. You'll get it.
I like this color.
Oh, you too. So pretty.
Did you know that jewelry was important to all Egyptians?
Yeah, we think of like the pharaohs wearing them, but really it was just about everybody in ancient Egypt who wore them. Farmers and regular everyday people had jewelry too.
Yep, they would make it out of anything they had.
Yep.
All right.
There we go.
All right. All right. So once you have it all together and laced, you can actually cut off and tape each side so it's down. I don't have my scissors with me right now, but all right. And then we are going to put our scarab right here in the middle. Again, you don't have to put it there. That's just where I'm putting mine, and I'm gonna put some jewels on the side. If you want to change it and put your scarab somewhere else, that is perfectly fine.
Yep, it's your necklace. You make it however you like.
Okay, so I'm gonna put mine right here. All right, so remember, we always line it up and then we flip it over so that we make sure it goes back in the same spot we want. All right, I'm gonna pull mine up, make it a little 3D-ish coming off of there.
I like that.
All right. All right, and then let's put our gems on. All right. Oh, I'm gonna actually put 2 flowers down there.
Oh, there you go.
Ooh, almost. It was kind of a quick one today. Actually, this might take you a minute, but as far as our video, it's a little shorter. But it's gonna turn out really cool. All right. Give them an extra little push. Make sure they're all on.
Nice and secure.
All right, and remember, you can cut these off and tape them. And you can also practice taking them back off. If you need a little more fine motor skills, you can undo what we just did and try it again, okay? All right, so ignore my big long string. Let's see. How do I look?
Oh, just wonderful. You look
Is it
just like
beautiful?
the ancient Egyptians with their beautiful jewelry. I love it. It's
I want
so
real
pretty.
gold.
I don't real.
All right, you guys, that is it for Egypt. I really hope you have enjoyed learning all about Egypt, and we will see you next time.